How to fix audio services not responding on Windows 10. Here are some possible solutions that may help you fix audio services not responding on Windows 10. Solution 1. Restart your PC. Solution 2. Restart audio-related services. Solution 3. Remove then reinstall default sound drivers. Solution 4. Ensure audio services are running properly. RPC Endpoint Mapper, Remote Producer Call, AMD DCOM Server Process Launcher. Solution 5. Execute. Command prompts as admin. Netlocal group administrator / add network service. Netlocal group administrator / add local service. Now restart your PC. Solution 6. Install Realtek / high definition audio drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Solution 7. Restore from last restore point.